Welcome to our video, The Coming Water Wars. Can we prevent global conflicts over freshwater resources? As the world's population continues to rise and climate change exacerbates existing challenges, the availability of fresh water is becoming increasingly limited. In this video, we will explore alarming statistics on water accessibility, the growing demand for this vital resource, and the potential for conflicts over shared water sources. Join us as we discuss the implications of water scarcity and the innovations in desalination technology and sustainable water management that could help us avert imminent crises. 1. The limited availability of freshwater. When you think about water, it might seem abundant given that over 70% of the Earth is covered with it. However, only about 3% of this water is freshwater, and less than 1% is readily accessible for human consumption. This minuscule percentage has to suffice for all our drinking, agriculture, and industrial needs. Imagine trying to quench your thirst with a single drop from a bucket. This is the reality we are facing on a global scale. The limited availability of freshwater is a pressing issue that requires immediate attention and innovative solutions to ensure sustainability. 2. Alarming statistics on water accessibility. The numbers paint a grim picture. More than 2.2 billion people lack access to safe drinking water, with water scarcity impacting every continent. These statistics are not just numbers, they represent lives affected, communities hampered, and economies stifled. It's as if a significant portion of the world's population is living in a desert, with no oasis in sight. The situation is dire, and the need for sustainable water management has never been more urgent. Addressing these issues requires a concerted effort from all sectors of society. 3. The rising demand for water. By 2050, the demand for water is projected to increase by 55%. This surge is driven by a growing global population, intensifying agricultural needs, and expanding industrial activities. It's like trying to fill an ever-growing balloon with a finite amount of air. The pressures on existing water resources are immense, and without strategic planning and management, the balloon is at risk of bursting. This increase in demand necessitates innovative approaches to water conservation and management to avoid catastrophic shortages. 4. Climate change and water scarcity. Climate change is not just a distant threat, it is a present reality that is worsening droughts and shrinking freshwater sources. Regions like sub-Saharan Africa and the Middle East are particularly vulnerable, experiencing severe water scarcity. It's as if Mother Nature is tightening the faucet, making every drop of water all the more precious. The impacts of climate change on water resources are profound and require immediate action to mitigate adverse effects and secure water availability for the future. 5. Shared water resources and potential conflicts. At least 263 river basins and 300 aquifers are shared between 2 or more countries, turning them into potential flashpoints for conflict. Imagine neighbors fighting over a single well in a drought-stricken village. This is the situation on a global scale. The Indus Water Treaty between India and Pakistan and the Nile River dispute between Egypt and Ethiopia are prime examples of ongoing water-related tensions. Cooperation and diplomatic efforts are crucial to managing these shared resources and preventing conflicts. 6. Water stress in the future. By 2040, nearly 33 countries, including heavily populated nations like India and China, will face extreme water stress. It's like standing on the edge of a cliff, with the ground eroding beneath your feet. The implications of water stress are far-reaching, impacting not just human survival but also economic stability and geopolitical relations. Addressing this challenge requires proactive measures and international collaboration to ensure water security for all. 7. Existing water conflicts. Water-related conflicts are not a distant possibility. They are already occurring in countries like Syria, Yemen, and Sudan. In these regions, water shortages have fueled political instability and exacerbated existing tensions. It's like pouring gasoline on a smoldering fire, intensifying the flames of conflict. Understanding and addressing the root causes of these conflicts is essential to preventing future water wars and promoting peace and stability. 8. Advancements in desalination technology. The desalination technology offers a glimmer of hope in the quest for more freshwater. By converting seawater into potable water, desalination provides an alternative source for regions facing acute water shortages. However, the technology comes with its challenges, including high costs and significant energy consumption. It's like finding a new well in the desert, but one that requires considerable resources to access. Continued advancements and investments in desalination are essential to making this technology a viable solution for global water scarcity. 9. The role of sustainable water management. Sustainable water management, conservation, and international agreements are critical to preventing future water wars and ensuring global stability. It's about learning to share the limited pie rather than fighting over its pieces. Effective management strategies, coupled with international cooperation, can help secure water resources and promote peace. The stakes are high, and the time for action is now to safeguard our most vital resource for future generations.